How to get a free trial on Surfer SEO. This is Matt, and I'm right here on one of the main Surfer SEO pricing pages. So first things first, I do have a link in the video description, an affiliate link. If you click that link, you will find yourself on this page or a very similar page. Now, in order to get that free trial, it's not openly stated here on the pricing plan for some reason, but they do offer a 7-day free trial. I just had a look through their documentation. I've got that. Okay, I don't have it open anymore, but they do have documentation that says that they offer a free 7-day trial on all of their pricing plans, at least as of the recording of this video. So you see here, they do say start for free. They just don't say how long the free trial is. But the point is, you've got these different options right here. You've got the standard plan, the pro, and the peace of mind. I do have another video where I go into the pricing in more detail. I will link to that in the video description as well. But to get that free trial, you're just going to select one of these. Let's say you're going for the pro, the recommended one, at least according to Surfer. You can click start for free, and then you will create your account here if you don't already have a Surfer account. So if you have a Google account, Gmail, you can sign up using Google, very simple, or you could go old school, just put your email and your password in. The point is, you're getting that 7-day free trial. You can check out the platform, see if it is for you. Maybe it isn't for you. You just don't know until you try. So it's very worthwhile to try these tools out, see if it is the platform for you. If it is, you can stick around, get one of these paid plans, but you don't have to. You can stick around on the free plan that does have some limitations. So hopefully you found this video on how to get a free Surfer trial useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.